Hello. I would like to go over percentage in a quick way. So this is actually percent definition on Google. So once you found that, the things I want to stress is percent is actually a definition of out of 100. So if you have a percentage, basically what it is, it's a part that you're calculating, you're concentrating on, divided by a whole, and you're expressing that as a percent. So then you do part over whole times 100%. Okay, so say we have, in actuality, we know that 14 karat gold is actually 50% gold, an alloy. So basically what that means, if you have a 14 karat jewelry, so say I have a 2 gram jewelry, in there I would have 1 gram that is of gold. So 2 gram, let's just say that's a ring. The 1 gram is the element gold. So you take 1 gram over 2 grams times 100, and you'll get what we call 50%. And that is gold. So the idea for percentage-wise, on the top, you want it to be the part. On the bottom, you want it to be the whole. Okay, so that's what percentage is. Now, how is that done in chemistry? I want to go to your book. So actually, I'm going to a little before this. Notice that this is percentages. In your book, there's an example where your author talked about, let's see, in your blood, we know that 3.2% by volume of the blood goes into your brain, okay, to provide you needed nutrients, right? So that's that information. What does that mean? That means you out of 100 parts, in this case it's by volume, okay, and of your blood, then 3.2 would be going to the brain. So this is the total, right? This is the portion on the brain, right? So for chemistry, what we actually have now is that we will have, I'm going to rewrite this portion in a shorter way. We'll have 3.2 liters to brain, okay, and then we'll have 100 liters total. That is a conversion factor. Or you could even set it up the other way. 100 liters total over 3.2 liters to brain. So in this way, you will be able to have 2 conversion factors. Depends on what you're given, and where you're asked, you can use percentages to do conversions. Okay, so keep that in mind. Then I want you to see this next question using percentages as conversion factor in your textbook. Okay, so in the problem, you're told your body is about 8.0% blood. Okay, now that percentage will be able to give you this conversion factor, right? So 8.0 pounds to 100 pounds, blood to the whole body weight, or whatever unit you want to use, 8.0 kilograms to 100 kilograms, blood to body weight, right? So it is blood to total. Blood is part, body weight is the total. So you have 2 conversion factors. You could use it this way to go from total to part, or you could also do it, depends on what you need to get. You could rewrite it as, if I had 8.0 kilograms blood, I need that to be from 100 kilograms of the body weight. So it's dependent on the question. You could use it this way. Depends on what is that you want. Okay, so this will be later examples. Okay, so what was the question? In the question, you were given if you weigh 145 pounds total and you know you have 8.0% blood, what is the mass of blood in kilograms? So let's not do kilograms yet. Let's still just do pounds, and then we'll convert it to kilograms. So it's this one. Okay, so you start with the 145 pounds body weight. That's one of the mass that you're starting with. Then you multiply the conversion factor, this factor that gets rid of the body weight and goes to the blood weight. Okay, now pounds, it's a pound-to-pound ratio. So after this conversion, you will be able to get the blood weight, but that is in pounds. So then you will enter into another conversion that goes from pound to grams, right? That's a conversion factor you were shown a while ago. And the question really wants kilograms. So then we went from grams to kilograms conversion, right? So this is what I suggest you to use, and your book used the alternative way. Okay. Right. Okay, so what if I give you a different question? What if I say, we need a person, with, I'm going to make it up. So I said I want a person with 6.5 kilograms of blood. Okay. And what should be the person's weight? What should be body weight? Okay, so I want 6.5 kilograms of blood. What should be the body weight? Okay, and I'm going to use this pink color again. The way I'll do it is I'm going to start with 6.5 kilograms of blood. And the question wants body weight. So I need to multiply a conversion factor that gets rid of blood, and goes over to body. Okay, now this time I need kilograms in both of those mass unit. Notice what is that I'm going to do? This conversion factor goes there. So I'm going to write 100 kilograms of body. In there, I would have 8.0 kilograms of blood. So, what is the answer? We'll use a calculator on this side quickly. So that would be 6.5 times 100 divided by 8.0, that would be 81. So you want 81. What's the unit? Kilograms of the body. Now, I know in every day we don't do kilograms of weight, we use pounds, right? So then if you want pounds, you just need to do further conversions. 81 kilograms, I need to convert it. So I need to go from kilograms to grams. I'm using numbers I see. How do I go from kilogram to gram? 1 is here, 10 to the third is on the top, right? And then I need to go from gram to pounds. gram to pounds. 1 is here. 453.6 is there. So what is the answer? It's 81 times 10 to the third, so that's 1,000, right? Divided by 453.6. Notice I did not multiply 1. I did not divide 1 because it's not needed. The answer should be 179. However, based on number of sig figs, I only had 2, so I rather say it's equal to 1.8 times 10 to the second pounds. This is a person that is 180 pounds. So this is using percentages as conversion factor calculations.